Hi, Ange and Harley. I'm here in Sagent, isa sa mga old towns outside Brussels in Belgium. I'm so happy sa inyong araw ng pag-iisang dibdib. Alam ko magiging masaya kayo. Alam ko magiging maganda ang kinabukasan ninyo. Isipin niyo parati na nandito kami. Sa likod niyo lang kami kung ano man ang mangyari. At sana kagaya ng namin ng Tita Gail ninyo, live life to the fullest. Share love, not just to each other, but share love with everyone. I hope you together will build a better future. I hope that kayo dalawa will experience the world. There's so much of the world to see. Good luck, all the best, and I'll see you soon.
Hi, good morning here from Djibouti, Africa. Harley and Ange, I'm happy that you're finally getting married. God bless to both of you. May God guide you and show you the path to a happy marriage. Lagi nyo lang tatandaan na I'm here always to support. Congratulations and God bless.
Hi, Harley and Ange. Congratulations and best wishes. Mga anak, I hope and pray na mag-succeed ang inyong marriage. Magkaroon kayo ng happy, peaceful, and prayerful family. At sana dumami ang magiging apo namin sa inyo. We are always here to support you and we love you. God bless. I love you.
I love you.
That's it.
Hi Harley and Ange, best wishes. We love you and we will support you in any ways.
Harley, let's bolt in! Congratulations Harley and Ange. Yun na sinabi ni Harley nung bata siya. So ngayon, panibagong paninimula, let's bolt in. Parang ganun din, pagsasama. God bless you both and congratulations and best wishes.
Pakarami daw kayo. Kasi konti lang kayo, kaya kayo daw ang parami. Congrats!
Congrats!
Ange and Harley, congratulations. Best wishes. Sana may apo soon. Yun lang.
Kuya Harley and ate, yan. Congratulations. Ako ang isang saksi kung paano kayo nag-date at tumakas kay mama. Sinama pa ako ni ate. Pero yun, I'm so happy na kayo talaga yung nagkatuluyan, especially kay ate yan. Sobrang dami niyang, nakita ko yung mga past niya and nakita ko na kay Kuya Harley niya talaga, nakita yung happiness niya. And I hope na makakita na ako ng pamangkin. Charis. Baka may gender reveal na to mamaya. Joke lang. Congratulations sa atin, Kuya Harley.
Bago ko kayo batiin sa kasal nyo, gusto ko munang magpasalamat kay Harley. Kasi, salamat sa iyo Harley, dinala mo sa akin yung bunso ko. Ikaw ang naging way para magkita kami ulit. At sa kasal nyo naman, kapit lang. Andyan na kayo. Sabi ko nga, hanggat maaga, mas mainam. Magkakilala naman na kayo, madali na yung adjustment nyo. Nandito lang si Papa.
Pagmananuan dakong lalus, kingke kong pamisang metong bie, at sana dagdagya pang misaplala ing kanwana na ning kaya kong kasal. I congratulate you with your being one in your life together, and I hope that you can become more prosperous in your endeavors. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Always be together and huwag kayong makontentong sa isa't isa lang nakatitig. Look at the same direction. Keep your course. Go forward.
Hi Ate Ange! Hi Kuya Harley! Congratulations po! Thank you Ate Ange, naalagaan mo na si Kuya Harley. Very thankful kami na nagkakita kayong dalawa. And ang saya-saya na ito yung unang kasal sa magpipinsan, and I hope all the blessing and all the success in your future endeavors.
What an honor to be a part of your celebration of love and partnership. And sobrang saya namin na masaya na yung kuya namin at magiging ate namin.
Congratulations, Harley and Ange.
Boy, sobrang thankful kami na kilala namin kayo and sobrang kino-congratulate namin kayo dahil isa rin kami sa mga saksi kung paano nung nagsisimula pa lang kayo at hanggang ngayon ay kakasal na kayo. Sana maging peaceful and mas maganda yung maging family and pagsasama ninyong dalawa. Nandito lang kami, kung gusto nyo nang kausap, tawagin nyo lang kami. And pupunta naman din kami.
Congrats ulit, Harley and Ange. Sana soon gender reveal naman. So yun lang.
Mukhang marami kaming mag-aagawan sa apo, kaya damihan nyo. Congratulations!